This is Vienna, but not the Vienna you expect. A city where every street feels like a memory, and every corner carries a quiet story. Here, history isn't behind glass. It lives in the rhythm of the streets, in the echo of footsteps on stone. Grand palaces rise with timeless elegance, while cafes whisper with the warmth of everyday life. Moments pass slowly here, but they stay with you. Because Vienna isn't just a place you visit, it's a feeling you step into. And somehow, it never really lets you leave.